Let's make some hydration elixirs that are specific to helping you sleep, hydrating every cell in your body so you've got that glow, and then taming period cramps. Okay, so it's time to come into the garden to grab some ingredients for my hydration elixir, and I always love to grab these juicy Meyer lemons, so we'll take one of these and then we'll head into the secret garden. Okay, so the next ingredient I want to get is a little bit of aloe. This is one of the most potent medicines you can have for your skin, for your cellular communication, for hydration. I also want to get some melissa. This is also known as lemon balm. So we're going to calm the nervous system, we're going to hydrate, we're going to mineralize. We're going to make one of my favorite hydration elixirs today. This one is really good for calming the nervous system because it's super mineral rich. And it also has herbs that help to calm the nervous system, like melissa, or it's also called lemon balm. So I'm gonna take this lemon balm, put a couple sprigs in my blender, and then I've already cut up my aloe. We want to get the inner fillet of the aloe plant. Now we're gonna add some Quinton hypertonic, which is an ocean plasma. It has every single element that you need as a building block for new cells, and it's all in perfect harmony, perfect ratios for what your blood plasma should look like. I'm gonna add a squeeze of a lemon, and I'm also gonna add just a little bit of the lemon peel. I'm gonna do a dash of rose water because rose water is high vibrational, has so many healing effects, and it also just tastes delicious. Now we're gonna add the coconut water because coconut water is also very mineral rich. I like to say it's one of God's perfect Gatorades. I'm gonna add that, and it also sweetens this up a little bit, so it's gonna taste sweet. All right, let's put a little bit of spring water in this. My water filtration system filters water, it remineralizes the water, and then it vortexes the water. So we are mimicking spring water right at my tap. If you want to know more about that, I do have a YouTube that goes deeper into that. Now we're gonna go blend this. Now that it's blended, we're gonna put this in a fun cup to enjoy it and stir in some ice. Oh my gosh, that is so delicious. I could drink this all day. Cheers. All right, now we're gonna make my favorite skin glow elixir. This elixir tastes like a hot chocolate, but it's specific to helping build collagen and helping your skin be nourished from the inside out. So first I'm gonna take this raw cacao, a couple little pieces of it, we don't need much. Magnesium has a lot of minerals in it as well. It's very well known for a lot of women when they're on their period or their monthly cycle. They like to eat chocolate, but it's because their body's asking for minerals, and it's rich in magnesium and manganese. It just helps the nervous system to regulate. So when your body's asking for chocolate, it's usually asking for real chocolate, not some Hershey's fake chocolate. I like to call that kind of like a frankenfood. We're asking for this raw cacao. There's no sugar in it. I'm gonna add a little bit of cinnamon. I love cinnamon because it helps to accentuate the sweetness without putting too much sugar into the mix, and it helps to move stagnation in the body. So what creates beautiful skin? Blood flow, oxygen-rich nourishment in the skin, and the cinnamon helps with moving things and getting stagnation to flow in the body. So I love to add a little bit of cinnamon, not just for the flavor, but also for the benefits. Now we're gonna add one of my favorite bovine gelatin collagens. I love this because it actually has 10 grams of protein. So this is a protein drink, which has the building blocks for building healthy skin and collagen. And then we're gonna add this marine collagen. This is gonna help support hair, skin, and nails. Now we're gonna add this product that I've really fallen in love with. It's called Mana Gold. This has shilajit in it as well as marine minerals. I'm gonna add just a tiny bit of Baja Gold sea salt to enhance the flavor. And then to sweeten it up a little bit, one of my favorite sweeteners is a maple sugar. And then we're gonna add some hot water. We'll blend it up. Oh my gosh, the smell is divine. It smells like hot chocolate. It looks like hot chocolate. It tastes like heaven. This beats any Swiss Miss hot chocolate. All right, we're gonna make my favorite sleep elixir. I love using passionflower because passionflower is one of the most powerful, potent, and effective nervine herbs. And when I say nervine, it's an herb that helps the nervous system. It's gonna help your nervous system calm. So I'm just gonna take a couple of these beautiful flowers. And I'm also going to add a little bit of hibiscus because hibiscus is a very powerful antioxidant. It's nourishing and it helps the body hydrate better. So what I'm gonna do is put some hot water here and let this steep. So I sliced this vanilla bean down the center. Slide your knife across and you get the vanilla bean. Add it to my cup. I'm gonna add a little bit of solar dried sea salt. Add more minerals to the drink and enhance the flavor. So these minerals are gonna help with hydration, they're gonna help with relaxing the nervous system, and they're gonna enhance the flavor. So now that my tea is steeped, I'm gonna pour my tea into the glass, stir it around, and it's time to enjoy. I'm ready for bed. Thanks so much for watching. If you want more recipes like this one, you can also grab my Hydrate book at tracydews.com. You can get the physical book sent to you, or you can download a PDF of an interactive copy. You can also find me on Instagram at Tracy Dews or TikTok.